I want to talk about mortgages or reverse mortgages or HELOCs and the role that they can help play in the Florida Medicaid planning asset protection process. And essentially the context for all of this, I want you to understand, is my goal for you, if you're one of my clients anywhere in the state of Florida, is to give you access to as many resources as possible to help you lead to the highest possible quality of life, number one. And then as a secondary goal, hopefully make it a little more likely that you'll have something to pass on to your heirs, if that is a goal of yours. And so a lot of what we do is we're working with people who have too much by way of income or have too much by way of assets and don't naturally qualify for Medicaid. And we have lots of great ways that we can protect what they have and get them access to long-term care benefits, whether it's to help them pay for more care at home or in an assisted living facility or a nursing home. And so we're either stopping or at least slowing the financial outpouring or the financial bleeding of money, right? So what's nice is if my client does own their home, generally speaking, your primary residence is not counted as an asset when determining whether someone is or is not eligible for Medicaid. So you're never forced to sell the home. Now, if you want to, that's a different conversation. We have ways of dealing with that. But assuming for a second that you want to stay at home or just have no desire to sell your house, but still want to be eligible for Medicaid, forget about the other liquid assets you might have, because we have lots of great ways of protecting that. But we're focusing on the house now, and what's really nice is if you don't have a mortgage, or if you have a small mortgage left, if you got a second mortgage or a home equity line of credit or reverse mortgage, right? Anything where you're tapping into the equity of your home to access resources, the good news is that can be structured in a way where you'll have access to that money, but it won't count against you as an asset, or it won't count against you as an income stream when Medicaid is determining whether you are or are not eligible for Medicaid. So if we can tap into the equity of our home in certain situations, that could mean a lot of extra money available to my client to, again, lead the highest possible quality of life, to pay for things that make life worth living, or pay for, obviously, necessities, right? Extra home care, or an extra nice facility or something like that. So I want you to be aware of that as another potential bucket of money. And what I don't want you to do is say, let's get this reverse mortgage or HELOC now, and only when we run out of that money do we want to think about qualifying for Medicaid long-term care benefits, because we can do both at the same time, right? So you can take advantage of what Medicaid has to offer in terms of paying for home health care or facility care, and access the equity in your home. And again, for the right client, that can make all the sense in the world and can really dramatically improve what they're able to do with their lives and improve their level of comfort and quality of care. So if you are interested in learning more about how HELOCs and reverse mortgages or mortgages work and how they can be used in conjunction with Medicaid long-term care planning and asset protection planning anywhere in the state of Florida, please give us a call. By the way, I don't sell reverse mortgages. I would have to refer you to someone who does that, or if you already have a reverse or mortgage or HELOC or reverse mortgage specialist you're working with, I can work with that individual as well. But it is often an avenue worth exploring in a long-term care context. Again, anyone in the state of Florida, if you want to schedule a consultation, hope you do so. And if you like this video, please share it, please subscribe, please give it a thumbs up. Helps me get good information out to people all over the state of Florida so we can help as many people as possible. Thank you for watching.